Jamrock Phonics ABC. Please like and subscribe. A says apple. A says alligator. A a a. B says b ball. B says b bear. B b b. C says cat. C says camel. K. D says dog. D says duck. D. E says egg. E says elephant. E. F says food. F says fish. G says girl. G says goat. G. H says hamster. H says hat. I says iguana. I says insects. E. J says jaguar. J says jam. J. K says king. K says koala. K. L says lion. L says log. M says monkey. M says man. N says nest. N says nut. O says octopus. O says orange. P says parrot. P says pony. P. Q says quail. Q says quiet. Qu. R says rabbit. R says rocket. Er. S says sun. S says sailor. T says tiger. T says tent. U says umbrella. U says up. V says van. V says vegetables. W says walrus. W says wagon. Fox. X says box. Y says yarn. Y says yak. Z says zoo. Z says zebra. Z. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep reading, keep smiling, and keep rocking those sounds. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons right here on Jamrock Phonics. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.